Hello everyone, today I am reviewing 2-in-1 cordless pole saw and mini chainsaw. First of all, I am going to show you how to set up your chainsaw, then I'm going to show you a real example, how you can cut your trees and branches. Let's open the box. Okay, this is our chainsaw. Okay, this is handler. They send 2 batteries, it's a good thing. You can use the other when the one is finished. They send 2 gloves. Of course, the glasses, protection, screwdriver, okay, and the chainsaw, and saw chain too, and bar. This one I want to show you how to do. Charger and handler. That's all our product. Now I'm going to show you how to set up your chainsaw. This one open here. Okay, I open. Okay, this is our saw chain. Okay, saw chain to main bar, like that. Okay, then this one put it here. Okay, then close with this one. Look, now it's moving. Now our mini chainsaw is ready. Put the battery here. Okay, like that. And this button is for safety. And it's working. Also, they send for your safety gloves and the glasses. You can wear them. One thing that I like for that, you can use for small chainsaw, or you can attach the extension pole and cut the higher branches. So I want to show you how to do. First, do it like that. Okay, look, our extension is ready. You can extend from here if you want higher. Okay, like that. Remove this battery. Okay, put it here. Put it here, like that. Chainsaw. Put it here. Now it's ready. Also, you can put the second hand. Now I'm not sure. Okay, here. Yes. Here. Touch the button. And the extension is ready. Chainsaw is so lightweight. It's easy to hold and move around. Even after using it for a while, my arms don't get tired too much. Look at it. Your wives can use too. It's not too heavy. Also, I like that it's come for 2 batteries. When one of them is die, you can charge the other one. And the motor, and it has a good power. It can cut small or medium branches smoothly, and I don't have to push very hard. Now I'm going to show you the real example. Now I will show you how to cut it. Please wear your glasses and gloves like this one. Look, so here. so powerful. Now I will show you how to cut it to long trees. Just cut it like that. Look, it's easy. Look, okay. Now I will show you how to cut it to the branches. So good and powerful. Thank you for watching.